Hey everyone! Today, we are going to discuss one of the newest products that has definitely caught a lot of attention. Make sure to stick around until the end because I will be giving my honest opinion about this product. One of the things that often confuses us when shopping online.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for the latest updates. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any exciting content coming up. For more details, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions or products you'd like to see reviewed, drop a comment below. See you in the next video.